St. Patrick's Day, one of the most glorious holidays that exist. So in this video, I figured what better way to celebrate it than by eating nothing but foods themed after it for an entire day. That's right. So the way this is going to work is this video is going to be split into 4 parts, or 4 meals to be more specific. We're going to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and of course, a snack. So we're going to get started right now with breakfast in the form of, drumroll please, Lucky Charms.
How, baby?
So these ones are actually limited edition as well. If you guys see, this is a spring edition, Magic Clovers. This is actually supposed to turn the milk green. Oh, I'm excited. So we're gonna dive in here and get this video rolling. And yes, if you guys are curious, of course I'm going to eat this entire box. Got a nice big old bowl here. Lovely cashew milk. Balance it out, health and fitness. Low calorie. Pour that on there, nice and quickly. You gotta have the right milk to cereal ratio. Comment below if you guys know what I'm talking about. Time to dive in. Cheers. Ooh. Oh, nice little sugar rush in the morning. Let's go. Curious to see how long it takes before it turns the milk green. Okay. It's definitely starting to turn the milk green. I'll take a few more bites here and I'll show you guys. Alright. Not sure how well it's going to translate on camera, but if you guys can see there, I don't want it to spill. Like, yeah, milk is like totally green. Like a nice light shade of green. Very cool. Alright. Alright. So that's the rest of the box. That's it. Take the rest of this down. A little bit more milk. There we go. Why have a bowl of cereal when you can have a whole box of cereal, I tell ya. So cool. Milk is like so green. I know I showed you guys already, but alright. See if we can finish her off this way. Last slurp. Alright, so that's all done. Alright, I'm gonna go to the gym, work this off. That was really good. But see you in a few hours for lunch. See you soon. And we're back. Just finished up with the gym. Had a nice little chest and shoulder pump. I'd show you, but in this space with clothes on, it's not really much I can show you. But anyways, lunch is about to be served in the form of these delicious St. Patrick's Day themed vanilla cupcakes.
Yes!
Now, you guys know if you've seen any of my other holiday themed food videos, I pretty much try to throw these cupcakes in whenever I can. They seem to do them themed after every holiday that exists, but they are absolutely delicious, so there's no reason why I wouldn't throw them back into this one. So we're going to dive in here, and I'll let you know who they are. Just crack open the seal for freshness right there. Okay, so first one here. Alrighty, the unwrapping. It's always work when cupcakes are involved. I seem to notice. Alright, cheers. Oh my goodness. Oh. All right. See how fast I can put these back. 2. Just a little cupcake count up there for you guys. 3. 4. I also do have my hat on, as you see. It's a weird angle, but I keep hitting it off the roof of my car. So I'm trying to keep lower, like that T-Pain song. Low, 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 low. Frosted cupcakes with the St. Patrick's Day theme. Going in my belly, you know what I mean. Eating yo, 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 yo. What's that? Okay, 5. 6. I'm just grabbing them right by the frosting. It's like a savage. Comment below and let me know if there's a way to eat cupcakes without making a mess. I just don't see it as a possibility. I just don't see it, Captain. I just don't see it. Anyways, keep it going. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 10. 2 more to go. 11. The last one, my friends. Tear. Don't worry, there's more food coming. Oh, all right. And just like I assumed, made a little bit of a mess. Not really on myself, but just fingers are a little sticky from the icing. Anyways, that was really good. Probably not going to spread out as much time between breakfast and lunch. Gonna go grab a snack. I'm a little thirsty. Maybe that's a hint. Maybe it isn't for what's coming next. Stay tuned and find out for yourselves. All right, everyone, welcome back. So for snack time, I figured we'd change things up, take things outdoors, take in some of this beautiful sunny weather that we have. Wow, I just looked right at the sun. That was fun. Intentional or unintentional rhyme, you be the judge. Anyways, I'm gonna dive in here because I wanna wet my whistle with something pretty delicious. So we headed to our local McDonald's and I grabbed myself a Shamrock Shake. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick if I can here, just what this looks like. Yeah, it's definitely starting to melt, but yeah, I don't think, here, let me try and just show you guys if I can. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's very green. So I'm gonna dive in here. I don't even really think I need this straw, to be honest with you. We're just gonna sip it up. All right, cheers.
Gross!
Very minty. Yeah, very, very minty. I have had these before. I took one in on my last St. Patrick's Day themed food challenge. Link on the screen if you want to check that out. That was a lot of fun, but I don't really remember drinking it, but I know I did. Comment below. Let me know if you guys are a fan of mint. Curious. I don't mind it. It's definitely not my favorite. Oh. Ooh. Little brain freeze going there.
Ouch!
It's kind of nice though. It's interesting. With a brain freeze, it hurts at first, but after it's gone, it's like refreshing almost. I don't know. Just my opinion. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Oh, it's not like thick at all. Don't go there.
Ha-ha!
Oh. Oh. All right. Last sip. All right. That's all done. So Not even sure where that straw went. Anyways, I'll find it. I don't litter. Don't worry. Anyways, gonna take an hour or two maybe, just to digest everything, and then see you in a little bit for the last meal of the day, dinner time. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be a fun one. See you in a bit. All right, everyone, welcome to the final meal of the video. For this one here, I wanted to do something just a little bit different though, because when I do these type of videos, I notice I have a lot of sweetness going on. Now, I'm not really complaining. You guys know I love my sweets, but it ends up being a lot of cookies, candies, donuts, as you saw today, cupcakes, milkshakes, cereal, a lot of sugary stuff. Wanted to throw in something savory into the mix. So for this one here, I dived into my chef skills and created this shamrock pizza. Seriously, this may be one of the greatest things I've ever created. I honestly don't even want to eat it. It looks so cool. But, of course, I'm going to eat it. So we're going to dive in here and get started with the final meal, you guys. Yep, just ripping her on apart. Oh, wow. Cheesy. Okay, so this is not homemade pizza dough, but it's like store-bought pizza dough. We're going to try it out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's nice and crispy on the bottom, as you can see there. And then like nice and flaky on the inside. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Alright. This is amazing. Wow. I'm gonna leave the crust in them. And dive in here. Huh. This one actually came out like a real slice. Look at that, oozy. Cheesy. Alright. So, I have a couple secret weapons. May not pull them all out here. Diet Coke. Happen to just have caffeine free right now, but health and fitness. Love you. Oh my gosh. Something about just like Coke and pizza. It's filling, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I'll finish it, but it is filling. What a lovely day. I had some treats. Full cereal, whole grains. Now we're finishing off with pizza. Wow, it's just like pulling apart too. Like, insane. Seriously. I think we gotta spice things up a little bit. Bring out my old friend here. Ranch Wilder. Comment below if you get that reference. I actually haven't watched that movie in a long time. I don't know how that just popped into my head. Seriously. Yeah. Let's ranch this up a little bit. Just a little dab. A little dab. That's the Ricky Starks right there. Ooh, yeah. Love my ranch. Oh. Alright, a couple more pieces. Just take it down. Probably do a little fast forward here. Just take it down. Alright. Last bite. Always call it out. all down. Take a sip of Coke here. I'd love to thank my friend Ranch Wilder. Diet Coke. Oh, the pizza was delicious. Alright guys, well, that's going to be a wrap for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. As always, comment below. Let me know if you'd like to see me do any other theme. Holidays, whatever it is. Anything at all. Let me know in the comments below. Love to do it. Have a lot of fun doing this type of stuff, as you guys see. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. Please just make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Toss this video a good old-fashioned thumbs up if you liked it. And be sure to hit that channel bell for notifications so that you never miss a new video of mine. And we'll see you in the next video.